As the cold and flu season approaches, do everything that you can to avoid getting sick. There are hundreds of different remedies that claim to help ward off colds and the flu, but the following solution is one of the easiest ways to boost your immune system. Using just 2 ingredients, you will be able to create a honey-infused garlic remedy that will crush any cold or flu virus that comes your way. In fact, you may already have the ingredients needed for this recipe in your kitchen. Protect you and your family from the cold and the flu this season by trying this honey-infused garlic recipe. The health benefits of honey. First off, you should learn about the actual health benefits of consuming honey and garlic. For this recipe, you will be using raw honey, which provides more nutrition than processed honey. Commercial honey is refined and will not contain as many nutrients as raw honey. Raw honey contains an abundance of nutrients, along with strong antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, though the antioxidants contained in raw honey are the real benefit for your immune system. Raw honey is also relatively affordable for the amount that you use in home remedies. Most of the time, you will only use about 1 or 2 teaspoons of raw honey, even in the following recipe. Raw honey can be used to strengthen your immune system, as well as help prevent allergic reactions. The antioxidants found in honey can also help to fight the signs of aging by attacking free radicals and helping protect your body from cell damage. Honey is also commonly used to treat wounds. It contains antibacterial properties that can fight infections. Other benefits include aiding the digestive process and soothing sore throats, among dozens of other reasons to use honey, other than to fight off the common cold or the flu. The health benefits of garlic. Garlic, like raw honey, contains powerful antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It can also help lower your blood pressure, improve your cardiovascular health, and help kill infections. Along with these benefits, garlic is also capable of boosting your immune system. In fact, garlic is one of the most common ingredients in home remedies for fighting off colds and the flu. The primary compound found in garlic that is responsible for the majority of the health benefits is called allicin. Garlic is in the same family of plants as the onion and contains many of the same properties. While garlic is commonly used in stews and soups, it was originally used primarily for its medicinal benefits. Garlic has powerful antioxidants that can help strengthen your immune system, but it also provides other useful vitamins and minerals. It is also a great source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium, with just 42 calories and 9 grams of carbs. While garlic is incredibly useful for boosting your immune system, you will benefit more by consuming raw garlic, as compared to eating cooked garlic. The honey-infused garlic recipe will allow you to enjoy the benefits of both raw honey and raw garlic, without having to put up with a strong taste. In addition to helping to fight the common cold or the flu, garlic can help lower your blood pressure, reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease and other heart problems. As beneficial as garlic is, it also has a very powerful taste that not everyone is going to enjoy. The goal of the following recipe is to mask some of this taste, by infusing the garlic with honey, which has a sweet flavor. Create a honey-infused garlic cold and flu buster. Both garlic and honey can boost your immune system, making them perfect for a simple home remedy to fight the cold and the flu. Learn how to combine these 2 ingredients to make a cold and flu buster. The easiest way to combine the amazing healing powers of garlic and honey is to infuse the raw honey into the crushed garlic. By crushing the garlic, you are breaking down the enzymes in the garlic so that you can receive more of the nutrients. The process of soaking the garlic in honey will also boost the benefits of both ingredients to increase their ability to strengthen your immune system. Ingredients. Before making your honey-infused garlic remedy, you will need to gather a few ingredients and supplies. Here is the ingredient list for this recipe. A small jar, 1 clove of garlic. Raw honey. A 4-ounce jar should be large enough. Essentially, it just needs to be large enough to hold 1 crushed garlic clove. Directions. To start making your honey-infused garlic, peel the papery wrapping of the clove of garlic. Using the flat side of a large kitchen knife, crush the garlic. Allow the crushed garlic to sit for about 15 minutes. Next, place the crushed garlic in the small jar. Fill the jar with raw honey and attach the lid. Place the jar on your counter and allow to sit for 3 to 5 days. During this time, the garlic will absorb some of the nutrients found in the honey and the honey will receive some of the nutrients contained in the garlic. After allowing the jar to sit on your counter for up to 5 days, place the jar in your fridge to keep it fresh. Whenever you begin to notice the early warning signs of the cold or the flu, consume half of the jar. If you would like, you could make a larger batch, crushing several cloves of garlic. Either place each crushed clove in their own jar or combine them in a larger jar. This is an easy recipe for combining the benefits of garlic with the benefits of honey. With just 2 ingredients, and 5 minutes of your time, you can whip together a simple honey-infused garlic recipe to boost your immune system. How to consume it when you feel like you are getting sick? You can start eating some cloves. It's a good idea to tell people close to you that you are starting this treatment. Try to eat as many as 4 to 6 garlic cloves in the first day, and an average of 3 per day in the next days, until you feel better. Also, you can use the honey in tea. Careful not to put it in very hot tea, so you don't destroy all the nutrients in the honey. If you only wish an immunity boost, then take a couple of garlic cloves for a week, twice a day. Hope this serves you well. Please like our video or subscribe our YouTube channel.